Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Afsana Nasrin from my channel Shine Bright. This is our vegetable and spinach garden. I want to cook different types of foods for my son and daughter. That's why I took some spinach, fresh spinach from my garden. My kids never like spinach. That's why I add spinach with chicken. So at first I took some thin chicken breast pieces. Make sure it's as much as thin it can. I took some pistachios nut and I soaked it in water. I prepared everything separately and I took some grated cheese. Now I want to marinate this chicken. So at first I marinate with black pepper, red chili powder, ginger and garlic paste, and also salt little bit, and I marinate this chicken at least 10 minutes. Now I blend all nuts and spinach with garlic and green chili properly. After blend everything, I put the paste in the thin breast chicken pieces properly. Then I fixed it tightly. I also put a little bit cheese and red chili paste and fix it like this. See, I made another one like this properly. After this, now I dip in dry flour like this. Now I take an egg and homemade breadcrumb. Now like this I dip in egg and breadcrumb, take it rest little bit in deep freeze and then deep fry. After frying this, I took some garden fresh tomatoes for gravy. For the gravy I need some tomatoes, red chili, white vinegar, garlic. All together I blend it properly and make gravy. Like this I prepare a delicious food for my kids and my family. And this pasta chicken I served with fried rice. They loved very much. It was look like that. And I also made too many items: chicken kofta, shrimp, hilsa fish, and too many items. Thanks for watching.